Are you tired of eating hot dogs, instant noodles, and canned beans when you camp? You think great food and camping just don't mix? After years of eating our way around the world, we've discovered that great meals don't stop when you go camping. Today, we're sharing 4 make-ahead camping meals that will have you eating better at Lake of Two Rivers than at most restaurants. If you think camping means sacrificing delicious food, this video is going to change everything. We prepared some great meals at home that transform into incredibly easy camping dinners with minimal effort. If you're ready to elevate your outdoor cooking game, subscribe now, because we're about to turn your next camping trip into a culinary adventure. By the end of this video, we'll have 4 complete recipes that pack at home, travel beautifully, and cook in under 15 minutes at your campsite. All right, let's get cooking. Let's start with our crowd pleaser. This chicken pasta salad serves 4 to 6 and tastes even better after sitting overnight. At home, we're making the whole meal ahead, which includes cooking the pasta until al dente, and then the chicken in bite-sized pieces. While that cools, we prepare the rest. Add cherry tomatoes, red onion, spinach, and sun-dried tomatoes, then you're ready to go. At the campsite at Lake of Two Rivers, this meal is literally ready in seconds. Just add Parmesan cheese, give it a good stir, and you've got a restaurant-quality meal that's perfect for that first night tired moments, especially after setting up your campsite. Look at this, fresh, vibrant, and so much better than any camp store sandwich. The flavors have melded beautifully overnight. Next up, everyone's comfort food favorite, classic spaghetti and meatballs. Our sauce starts with quality diced canned tomatoes, garlic, onion, and fresh basil. We let this simmer for 30 minutes at home, then it goes straight into the freezer. At the campsite, we just need to boil water for pasta and reheat our sauce and meatballs in one pot. Add some Parmesan cheese. 12 minutes total, and we're eating like we're at an Italian restaurant. Now for something special, our buttered chicken that rivals any restaurant. Before we dive into this incredible dish, quick favor, subscribe if you're ready to explore more flavors with us. We start by cooking bite-sized chicken. After we're done cooking the chicken, we put it in the freezer. The sauce is so easy. Buy some sauce from your local grocery store, nothing easier than that, and so tasty. At the campsite, we heat the sauce with the chicken in a pot while cooking rice in a separate pot. The aroma alone will have neighboring campers asking what you're making. Top it off with sour cream and green onions. The sauce is creamy, the chicken is tender, and paired with fluffy rice, it's absolutely incredible. Finally, our camping chili that gets better every day. We brown the ground beef with onions, add kidney beans, mushrooms, tomato juice, and our special spice blend. The secret is the long, slow simmer at home, at least 2 hours. This develops those deep, complex flavors that make the chili special. Freeze when you're done. And at the campsite, we just reheat and serve. It's perfect for those cooler camping evenings, and any leftovers make an amazing breakfast or lunch. Top it with cheese, sour cream, and green onions. This chili is hearty, warming, and exactly what you want after a day of hiking or canoeing. Algonquin Park camping tip. So if you're feeling like you want a restaurant experience in Algonquin, there are some options. There's some fancy spots at the luxury lodges in the park, but there's also some more casual spots like Lake of Two Rivers Cafe and the Canoe Lake Restaurant. Take it from us, the Canoe Lake Restaurant is by far the better option. There you have it. 4 restaurant quality meals that prove camping doesn't mean compromising on incredible food. Each one packs beautifully, travels well, and transforms your campsite into a gourmet kitchen with minimal effort. Which meal are you most excited on trying on your next Algonquin adventure? Let us know in the comments, and we'll send you the recipe. And don't forget to subscribe for more foodie travel guides. Check out another one of our Algonquin Park videos. The link's right here. See you in the next video. Happy tasting travels.